In this video, I will show you how to add a Facebook pixel in Hostinger website builder. This is my Facebook pixel. First copy it, then go to website settings and click on integrations. Look for Facebook pixel, click on connect and fill in your Facebook pixel ID. And don't forget to save your changes. And after that, click on update website to reflect your changes online. To verify if your Facebook pixel is added successfully, you can use this Google Chrome extension. It's called Meta Pixel Helper. As you can see, it is added to my Google Chrome browser. Now, let's visit my website. And as you can see, from the first try, it was not successful. I just reloaded my website and I can see that a Facebook pixel is added successfully to this website. And this is how to add your Facebook or Meta pixel in Hostinger website builder.